Miniature roses have been in cultivation since the 17th century, but most originated as genetic mutations of old garden roses or China roses, which are native to Asia. Botanists traced the rose to China where it was cultivated for thousands of years. Sunblaze roses are miniature roses that are ideal for containers and gardens. Hardy and easy to grow, these compact roses bloom in bright, bold colors from spring until fall. Start your Sunblaze rose off in a container and enjoy it all season, and then plant it in the garden in the fall for years to come. Like most miniature rose bushes, these are own root, which means even if the winter kills the top part down to the ground, what comes up from the root is still the same rose bush we originally purchased. Like all roses, the miniature varieties thrive in full sun. Though they can tolerate a bit of shade, oftentimes their foliage and flowers will become sparse in shady conditions. Roses like rich, well-drained, and loamy soil. Miniature roses are also a favorite plant for patio containers. Roses can be heavy feeders, and since miniature roses continue blooming all season, regular fertilizing is essential. Prune lightly anytime to maintain shape. If a heavy pruning is required, do this late in the winter or early spring. Grow your Sunblaze rose tree in the ground or in a container. It will flourish and look great in either environment. Roses have many different types of companion plants that go well with them for many reasons, but the most popular ones are lavender, lycium, foxgloves, lady's mantle, baby's breath, Shasta daisy, marigolds, parsley, sage, pincushions, snapdragons, and more.